Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. 50 grams of protein without any protein powder, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, nut-free, all-natural, all-healthy, super tasty protein smoothie made with beans but tastes like liquid raspberry muffin. Get your healthy protein with real food. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, add a drained and rinsed can of white beans into a powerful blender. Along with a cup of frozen raspberries. A cup of a plant-based yogurt. A cup of a plant-based milk. And 2 bananas. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.